Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a very simple, delicious spaghetti squash recipe. I have a pretty decent sized spaghetti squash right here, so it's pretty hard right here. So the first thing I need to do is just split it in half. So just cut in half as it's going to be okay. Pretty simple. So split in half like this, and you can see it's a lot of seed right here. Just take a spoon and just scoop out all the seed. Scoop out all the seed. You don't want the seed. Look at the seed, look like a pumpkin seed. So basically, and see the little fiber in there? Scoop all that out, you don't need that. Should looks like this. So in the meantime, let's preheat the oven. We're gonna bake this. So preheat the oven to bake to about 400 degrees. All right, preheat that. So after you scoop all the seed out from the spaghetti squash on both sides, put the cut side down like this. The cut side, put it down, put in a baking sheet, baking pan, and we're gonna put this in the oven for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, let's go in the oven. So about 40 minutes of baking. All right, it's about 40 minutes now. So just take it out. I remove it out from the oven. And turn it this way. Okay. Looks good. See a little brown, looks good. Yeah, be careful, it's pretty hot. So use a fork. Use a fork. See, now you can see why they call it spaghetti spaghetti squash. Look at it. Look like a spaghetti coming out. Just, yeah, be careful. It's still pretty hot. So just use a fork just to break it all up. See that? Yeah, it's pretty hot. I put a little butter in there. It's depending on you can put a lot, but I'm gonna just put a little bit. I'm just put about a quarter of a stick to each side. So I'm using imperial butter. This for baking. So let's see, it's up to you. If you want a lot of butter, you can put a lot of butter, but for me, I'm gonna just put a quarter of a stick for each side. So for both sides, use half of a stick. All right. Just mix in the butter, or just let it melt in there. The butter is already melting already. Sprinkle a little bit of sea salt, not too much. Because remember, butters already have salt in there already, so don't put too much salt, just a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of parsley flakes. It's up to you. You want to put a lot, put a lot. I'm going to just put a decent amount. And the next thing you need to do is put Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning right here. Sprinkle a generous amount. I'll put some ground black pepper. A little bit of that. Not too much. Yeah, pinch of a ground pepper. Now let's just mix it all up. Yeah, just it smells really good now. Okay, so put this back into the oven. So this time is the cut side up like that. Just put it back to the oven for another, so for about 5 minutes, and it should be done. It's all right. It has been 5 minutes now. Just turn off the oven, and that's it. Just take it out, and it's all good to go. So this is how I cook a spaghetti squash. It's a simple, basically just cut in half and just put in a baking pan, and for 40 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I put after that I put some butter and parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, and then some salt. That's about it. And let's give it a taste, see how it tastes. Oh, yummy. It's very good. This is good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. As you can see, it's pretty nice now.